friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here and I'm very excited and happy for this video. I always say that I'm excited. Actually, I'm always excited to make videos, and today is especially exciting because it's a Valentine's Day and my wonderful husband, he decided to join me, and this is my husband Brandon. Say hello to my friend.
Hello.
So you know, you don't have to buy gift or anything for Valentine's Day, but we do buy gifts for each other. Yep. So yesterday we went to a Dior store, and I just have to try this Dior belt. There was no plan to buy gift or anything, just went to the store to try the belt. And he was looking around this jewelry and he kept telling my essay like, oh, how much is this, how much is that. He kept looking around and I was like, what are you looking around? I was just joking. I said, are you buying something for me? And he said, actually, yeah, I'm trying to buy something for the Valentines. What we do for each other is that we don't surprise, because you know, if we surprise then we might not like it. So either we buy each other from our wish list or what?
Pick what we want.
Yes, that's what we do. So he actually he picked that for me, and I know what it is, but he picked, like, he told me that you need to have this, add to your collection. Yeah. So we're gonna do unboxing together here, and I also bought something for him, and so we both gonna do unboxing here. And do you want to say anything, baby?
I'm ready to see what I got, which I kind of already know, but I'm ready to wear it.
Oh, you're ready? Yeah.
Yes.
But it's so cold and rainy here in Dallas. Yeah. I think you have to wait for another month.
Yeah, I'm about to wait a while.
Okay. Do you want to open first? Okay, since you are my guest, you can open first.
All right.
So I bought something from Balenciaga. Here we go. And I'm so excited. I don't have anything from Balenciaga. I'm thinking to buy something from there.
Box.
Oh, there you go.
They said these were the most popular shoes.
So he knows that it's a shoes. I told you that we don't surprise. We just buy the things that what we like, or it's from our wish list. So
got the sock shoe, no laces. You wear these, you look like a ninja.
Yeah.
I like these.
Like this. What size is that?
I got a small foot, so this is like size 6. So yeah, it's got Balenciaga everywhere. Like I said, they had different shoes that had a lot of different colors on the white sole here, but I like these. They look pretty good. They look like they'll match with anything, and it's easy. You don't have to tie it. You just slap it on and it's real tight to the foot. So that's basically it.
Liking?
Oh yeah.
It's nice.
I would want these. Yeah, they're good material.
I want one of those Balenciaga too, but I don't want both of us to wear like same type. Maybe I should buy the one with like a different. You say they have.
Yeah, they have. Yeah, they got gray.
Yeah.
At first, I thought these were gray. I forgot they were black.
I know he has a really small foot. Like, look at this. But it's cute. I like it.
Yes, I'm ready to wear them, but not today. It's raining.
I know it's raining and it's super cold outside. It was like 70 degrees last week, and then now it's like a 25 degrees. It's just crazy weather in Dallas. So we don't even know what to wear. So you like your Valentine's gift?
Yes.
Good job.
Now.
It's my turn now. Woo-hoo, I'm excited. Oh, look at this. I love Dior, and I love their package. They do really good work. Like, you know, it's not like just they would put in the bag and put the ribbon and give it to you. Not like that. They make it look so beautiful. I love it. Dior is killing me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I have to stay away from Dior, but I can't. So here is a ribbon. And do you guys throw these ribbons or you keep it? I keep all my ribbons. I don't know why. I love to keep it, right, baby? And look at how they make it so nice, like, you know, this pretty everything. And there we go. so pretty. I love this wrapping and everything.
Yes, I cannot tie.
Can you tie like
No.
this?
No.
Maybe you should, like, I told you many times like how Dior service is so wonderful. You want to tell something about the Dior service, how good they are? They're like our friend now because we go all the time in Dior.
Yes, we're like family.
He wants something for the men's collections.
Yeah, they
from
don't
Dior,
carry men,
but
so.
in Dallas boutique they don't carry men collection, but they always are like, whatever you like, just pick and we can order for you.
Yeah.
But you know, he wants to
That'd be a
try
lot
them.
of ordering because there's a lot I want to see.
Yeah, we might maybe
So.
go to the, when we travel, maybe like, you know, we can go to the different Dior location if they have a men's collection. I wish they have here. So here is the box, and oh, I'm gonna open this. I don't want to even open this ribbon, it's so beautiful. See? Dior, that my essay, Megan. If you live in Dallas and if you ever want to buy something from Dior, just ask for Megan. She is the best and she's just good. So when you open it, it looks like this, and they have a little stickers right here. This is Dior. And you guys know now that this is, of course, the bag. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Here is my saddlebag. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Got the charm in here. You gotta take this bag off.
Yeah.
For it doesn't beat up against the bag.
So here is this, my saddlebag. You know, this is so funny that I've been seeing in Instagram, fashion bloggers, all these, like, you know, YouTubers, they all have this bag. And in the beginning I thought that I don't like this shape. I don't want that bag. And
Yeah.
more I look at into this bag, this is so beautiful, and every Dior bag has a good history. You want to tell something about this bag?
Other than that it was designed in 1970, I know that, but that is not the correct pattern. The correct pattern has CDs. This is a new pattern, which is leather, and that's basically it. But they pulled it out of the archive safe and brought it back, but with different material on this one.
I was thinking to buy the other one, the 1970s vintage collections with all the blue CDs. What was that? It's like a canvas? Canvas,
Yes, it was
yeah,
canvas,
it was a canvas. And I keep trying on this one. I feel like that I wish I can buy both, like, you know, I wish I have so much money I can buy, like, I'll pack both of those. Right. But I say, like, I look for the long run, and I was thinking like this might goes with everything and I can wear this, like, you know, all the time. So again, one more black bag added to my collections. And Megan was telling that in the beginning how it was hard, right? Remember, to get this bag.
Oh yes. Well, she's saying every time they had them in stock that they would sell out immediately. Mm-hmm. But obviously, I guess stock is piling up more than people are buying.
This is all over the social media.
I
Isn't
know,
that
yeah,
crazy?
it's a popular
Like,
bag, but
social media is so crazy that how it influences you. Like, oh my goodness, I never thought that I'm going to buy this bag, but now I love this bag. Yeah. And for this bag, you have to, if you want like a long strap, you have to buy the different. It's just like a camera, and you have to buy a battery.
Yes.
Right. So the good part is that you know that my favorite Dior bag, I have that. So
strap from her other Dior bag, which is cool because it's basically the same material and it matches. I think this bag looks better with a strap because all it does is have this small little handle, and
it has a CD.
I don't know, it has, that's more of a, you're gonna have to have a strap to basically it to be more relaxing, in my opinion.
I will show you, like, you know, after I'm done with this, I'll show you how it looks like. You're gonna put the strap on.
Yeah, you can put it.
And what kind of leather is this one?
This is a calfskin leather.
Mm-hmm.
Put it like that, or you can put it.
See, now I can literally can use my old my other Dior bag strap, so I save money. But you know, if I want, like, they have so many beautiful strap, like those colors, and
Yes.
like looks like Indian pattern.
Yeah, they got some buttons on them and whatnot, but
yeah, I can always add that in leather, like, you know. But right now I just decided to use my old straps, and it just looks perfectly fine. And this is how it looks. Leather,
it's got a strong magnet right here. That's how it latches.
Yep.
That's the foam on the inside. It's not that big. You can't carry too much stuff in it.
What size is this, honey?
That's the largest they make.
This is a medium or
I
large?
think that's the large.
And this, because of the shape, this is a saddle for the horse.
It's a saddlebag,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
It's supposed to represent a saddle for a horse, obviously.
So it doesn't fit that much, but you know, you can. I don't carry that much things like, you know, I have my wallet, and there's a small zipper inside. Also, there is a back here. You can put your cell phone, like, you know, like this. From the back, it looks like this, and it feels very.
Yeah, it's very heavy, very strong.
And strong, and
yeah, this is real tough material. The canvas was much softer, and they kept saying that you couldn't clean it. So I think we obviously jumped to this one because they really want us to get the canvas one, but it goes with everything. That other one just is like a different color, kind of a bluish, and they had a reddish one, but it just doesn't look like it'll match with anything. I mean,
oh yeah, they have the different colors. One was the red, blue, and this black, and also light baby blue. They have, like, you know.
Yes, yeah, baby blue is what we were looking at.
Yeah.
But
isn't it is so much fun when your husband is also into fashion? So thank you, baby.
Oh yeah.
I love that bag. I can't wait to wear and style. And he's so good. Like, he always give me, like, you know, he look online, and if something new comes in the market, he'll say like, hey, you know, did you see this one? Like, you know, now we're looking for the Balenciaga.
Yes.
Some of the outfit, and they look great. Thanks for this Valentine's gift. And so we both have a gift. One is Balenciaga black shoes, and one is Dior. So I love this one. I hope you enjoy this video, and I just want to say happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Enjoy your time with your loved one. You don't need to wait for Valentine's Day to tell them how much you love or buy a gift or anything. So we do it for a fun thing, but we always appreciate each other, that how lucky we are.
Yes.
And so my husband, he started to speak Nepali. By the way, if you guys don't know where I am from, I'm from Nepal, a small country where is the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. So I'm a mountain girl. I love mountains. But I married with this Texan that they don't have any mountain here. So yep. Do you want to say something to my Nepali subscriber?
Dhanyabad, Nepali subscriber, for watching this video.
Yes, that's all for the video, and I hope you enjoyed having my husband here in this video, and I'm planning to do more videos with him. And do you want to say something at the end?
Please subscribe to my wife's channel, and to all the Nepali listeners, Dhanyabad.
So Dhanyabad is thank you in Nepali. Yeah, if you like this video, then please do thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. I will be so grateful and happy to see any new subscribers. And also, follow me on my Instagram. It's Sabina K Stone. I would love to see you in my Instagram too. I always make a small video in Instagram, like my day-to-day, like, you know, what I'm doing, what I'm eating. So if you are interested, then please do follow me on my Instagram. And that's all for today's video. And be happy, stay positive, smile, don't spread any negative to anybody. Just be positive and enjoy your life. Life is for only one time. So that's all for today's video. I love you guys.
Yes.
Do you want to blow the